In this video, we are going to see that if you want to reset your voice settings in Discord, here's what you can do. First of all, just click on the bottom left corner where it shows you the user settings, this little gear icon of yours. Just click on that. And once you do that, you want to head over to app settings section. And under here, we click on voice and video. And just go to debugging if you're having problem with your voice or any of your sound settings, whether it's input or output device. Here is what you can do is just go to debugging and click on reset voice and video settings, and it will make all of these settings to default. Resetting voice settings will clear all the local mutes and local volumes. Are you sure you want to do this? Click OK. And that's how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And just guys, one more thing, that after that you might need to close and restart this Discord application to make this effective. So that's pretty much it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.